In this video, you will learn how to install the FrontFace Player app on an Android TV device. First, you need to download the FrontFace Player APK. You can then transfer it to the Android device either over the network or by using a USB stick. Alternatively, you can also directly download and install the APK from the customer section of the Mirabyte website using a web browser on the device. As an example, we will use the FX File Explorer to install the APK from a USB stick. Alternatively, you can use any other File Explorer app. We select the USB stick and open the FrontFace APK file to install it. When running for the first time, the File Explorer app must be given the permission to install apps via sideload. After installation, the FrontFace Player app can be opened directly. Here too, access to the file system must be granted. In addition, the system clock should be checked to avoid possible problems with content scheduling. In the maintenance menu, you determine how the content should be published to this player. There are 3 methods available: either a network share on a file server or a web server on the internet can be selected as source. Here we choose the third option, local offline publishing via USB stick. The stick selected here has already been previously provisioned by the FrontFace Assistant. For more details about this publishing method, please see the user manual. Finally, click on Start Player. The FrontFace Player app then restarts itself automatically and will finally display the published content.